Bonding Technology is a global biometrics and RFID products and service provider by a top China-based team since 2005. We have a complete production chain, which can quickly and accurately provide the required products to customers, from pre-sale consultation, procurement cooperation, to after-sales service and technical support. We follow the premise of customer service as the center. We promise that we have always been committed to the research and development of the products. Your security, my profession, as a way of thinking that guides us and pushes us forward. We have a number of advanced production lines, including access control, time attendance, RFID card, all accessories and turnstiles, etc. Here is our production workshop. We have an experienced professional team, high-quality scientific and technological personnel. We also have strict production environment, which provides a reliable guarantee for high-quality production. For the electric lock series, we have used a special photoelectric controlled ultra-low temperature and ultra-low efficiency design, which ensures a longer life and faster response of the lock. It also features high security measures such as low noise and automatic opening in a case of power failure.